Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from Techjet. This is the 6th video of the YouTube creator series, and in this video I'll explain how to make an intro even though I'll be using a third-party website. So let's get right into it. Okay, so right now I'm in the third-party website called canva.com. You can find the links in description, and you can just search for Canva on Google or on the web and you'll find it. The link is right over here, canva.com, and it would be also in the description. So first you need to log in into an account or sign up if you haven't one. So see you after I've finished logging. Okay, so right now I finished logging and it's loading the page of Canva and it has come over here. So I will show you how to make a simple thumbnail with the help of Canva. So you click on create a design. So then you need to choose, so you should choose YouTube thumbnail and click on it, and then it opens a new tab where you can make all your stuff and then download it to your computer. So it has opened this, and first you will have a template gallery. So you will have a template, like you can choose this. For example, there's a travel template, as you can see. So you just need to drag it and drop it into the white box over here, and you can see Safari is written. I can change it to anything, for example Techjet. This was just one example. And then it is very simple if you want to download it. So you just need to click on download right over here. It opens a box like this, and you just need to use file type PNG. That's the best quality, and then just click download and it just loads up and it has downloaded, as you can see right over here. Okay, so this was just an example which I showed. One more example. Okay, so the next example is how am I making the thumbnails right now for my YouTube videos, like this YouTube creator series. So let me show you how. So I searched YouTube in the element section and I found a YouTube logo over here. So I dragged it and dropped it. This is a bit different from how my thumbnail currently looks like, but you can use this too. This is just an example. You can make many things with the help of canva.com. It's a very useful site and it is completely free too. Even though there's a pro version, you can always use the free. And I put YouTube right over here, and then you can add some text if you want. So I'll add text like YouTube creator series 6, for example, and you can resize, change the fonts as you want, and yeah, you can do anything whichever you want. You can also put a background, so I can put this background right over here, and you can see this looks very cool also. Now lots of background options. You can upload your own photos, upload over here. So upload, you can upload anything over here and it stays. You have more text options also. These are some font combinations. So these look very cool, so you can just drag it like a neon things. Yeah, okay, so you can see it has been dragged, and now you can customize the text. So cool, wow, and we can put many things. And this is how you design a custom thumbnail for your channel. And now I'll show you how to upload this custom thumbnail. So I'm gonna first download this and then go to YouTube Studio and show you how to add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube. I am in my YouTube Studio, as you can see. So right now, as you can see, I'm in the one of the example videos which I had uploaded a few days back. And then over here, when you see the thumbnail option, these are 3 automatically generated thumbnails by YouTube, but you can upload thumbnails right from here. So click on this and then you need to add a file from your computer. So you can see that I found this file, YouTube creator series 6k.png, and just click on open, and you can see it is already over here. Click save and it should be uploaded. It takes a few seconds to be uploaded. Okay, so right now, as you can see, the custom thumbnail has been uploaded, and this is how you make a custom thumbnail and also upload it to YouTube for a video. So that's it for this video. This was the 6th video of the YouTube creator series. There are a few more videos also coming soon, mostly tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and and throughout the coming weeks. So stay tuned, subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss the other videos too, and see you in the next video. Till that, bye.